Hey y'all, my name is Jocie and I am so excited to be a guest sewist for the March monthly subscription box. So I have my package here and I cannot wait to get into it and see what I got. But first I want to give you a little bit of info on what the subscription box is. So it's a monthly subscription box. It's $25 a month. You get 3 yards of fabric. It could be any type of base, French terry, double brush poly, sweater knit, any type of base. You can get 3 yards of one color or 2 yards of one color and 1 yard of another color. It's all part of the mystery of the subscription box. I personally love it because when I buy fabric for myself, I tend to gravitate towards some of those patterned and floral fabrics. So that's what my closet is filled with. And solids are very, very underrepresented. And I find it's always nice to have a good selection of solids to match with those patterned fabrics. So let's get into the fabric box and see what we got. I did do a little starter tear so you don't have to watch me struggle. So that's why this is so easy. Okay. Black and white is exactly what is missing from my wardrobe, so I'm very, very excited that that's what I got. Let's see. This is a super drapey fabric. Looks like it's going to be absolutely perfect for spring, especially in Texas. Feels pretty lightweight. Let's see if I can get some of this drape on camera. You see, it's got pretty nice drape. Do a couple little swings. I think this is going to be, let's see, I got a yard of the white and 2 of the black. So I think I'm gonna do a t-shirt or something of the sort out of the white. And I do love me some dresses, so I'm probably gonna do some sort of t-shirt dress or some sort of dress out of the black, and I cannot wait to show y'all what I actually make with these, so stay tuned.